Y'all take a doodle? Come on, let's take a doodle. Let's take a doodle together.
No, get out.
Come on, man.
No, get out.
Let's take a doodle together.
No, get this camera out of my face. Get this camera out of my face.
Let's take a doodle together.
No. I'm trying to take a shit.
I won't look at you. I gotta take a shit.
I gotta go too.
Come
man.
on. Come on, I gotta go too.
Where you gonna take a shit? There's only one toilet.
So?
Go.
I'll go
I gotta take a shit.
I go in the bathroom.
No.
Come on, man.
No. Get this camera out of my face.
Come on, man.
You gotta take a shit.
Come on, man. Yeah, come on. Okay. I can't remember. I don't smell good. You know. Okay. I mean, I smell good. I can't, sniff good. So I won't smell your poop.
No, go.
Is that Ed Hardy? Ed Hardy?
No.
Oh, snap.
It's Ed Farty, okay? I gotta take a shit.
Together, man.
No.
I'll be in the shower, man. Come on.
No, I'm not going inside.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Go take a shit.
No. I has to take that shit.
Go, man. Come on. Go drop it low, man. Drop it low. I'm locking you in, man. I want to see you take a doodle. I want to see you take a doodle. I'm going to be in the shower. It's okay. I'm going to be in the shower.
No.
Stop being a baby. Go take a poop.
No.
Why?
No.
Why?
Because I feel uncomfortable.
So? It's not like I'm going to look at you. I just want to have a conversation with you.
No.
Come on, man.
No.
I'll let you have a conversation with me if I'm taking a dump.
No.
I have no problem with people looking at me taking a dump. What's your problem? What is your
I
problem?
feel uncomfortable.
Dude, I'm not going to look at you. I'm just going to talk.
So what?
Huh?
So what?
So
You can talk to me from outside the door.
No, I'm boring. I want to talk to you right next to you, man. I'm just gonna.
No.
Come on, man.
No.
Don't be a little girl, man. I can't record you pooping.
No.
I'm not gonna record. I just want to hear you talk, man.
No.
Come on, man.
No.
Please.
No.
You gonna sit on that toilet, son. Sit in that toilet.
I'm not gonna sit in that toilet.
Sit in the toilet, man.
No.
Why?
No.
Come on, man.
I told you right.
Look, your butt look like it's rumbling.
I'm gonna call my daddy.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You do that, I'm gonna tell your dad you was being gay. And you brought me in here and you want me to record you taking a dump. I'm telling you want me to record you taking a dump. Who you gonna believe, me or you?
You.
Exactly.
I'm gonna take your shit.
Go.
No, get out.
I'm gonna be in the bathroom.
Get out.
Come on, man.
Papi!
Sandro!
Papi!
Sandro!
Pa! You won't let me take a shit. Pa! Papi!
Come on, man. Don't be a girl.
Pa, I wanna take a shit. Pa! Papi!
You don't.
Papi!
He don't love you.
Pa!
Look,
Get your lazy ass up. My God.
let's see it. Chin here. Come on, man.
I wanna take a shit.
Go.
Pa!
Go sit down.
No, okay.
I just
I'm
wanna
gonna go
talk.
sit down.
Can I interview you?
No.
Can I interview you?
No,
Come on, man.
No.
Come on, man.
No.
Don't be a girl.
No. I wanna go take a shit.
I'm gonna be in the shot. I swear to God, I won't look at you,
I
man.
wanna go take a shit.
Come on, man.
I wanna go take a
This
shit.
is a class project, man.
No class project. No class project.
Come on, man.
No.
Come on, man.
No.
I gotta go to summer school tomorrow.
No. Me too.
So? It's my first time.
Go.
Come on.
Go.
Come on, man.
Go.
Let me see you poop.
Go.
Let me see you poop.
No.
Drop it low, man.
No.
Yo, okay, fine. Can I interview you right here?
Fine.
Okay, fine. When you doodle drop in the toilet, does it splash your butt?
No.
How fast do you poop?
Pretty quick. I take fast food. I'm not gonna lie.
Well, how fast?
I don't know.
How fast you
I
think?
know it counted.
You think it's longer than this video? This video is like three something long. 3 minutes and like
Nah, I think
almost
it's
50
short. I
seconds.
think it's shorter than
Shorter than that?
Yeah.
Wow, you're amazing.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
You think you could break the record for the world's fastest poop?
I don't know.
How much sheets of toilet paper do you use?
Who said I use sheets of paper?
Oh, you don't use? You don't wipe?
Yeah, I wipe.
You wipe?
Yes.
How do you wipe?
I take two.
Two? You wipe twice? That's it? Just
No, I take two papers. You
Oh,
know?
2 papers?
Yes.
And how much do you wipe? You wipe a lot?
Yeah.
You go woof woof, and that's it? And just
No.
drop the paper in the toilet?
No, I
and
do it very slowly. It's like.
Let me see.
Yeah,
Turn on.
Slowly.
That's it?
And then just drop it.
Drop it?
Yeah.
And that's it?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm not done, man.
Okay.
Don't you want to ask why I'm asking you those questions?
No.
Why not?
Because I want to take a shit.
Come on, man. Let me just sit down with you, man.
No.
Is it weird I tell you?
Papi!
Come on, your daddy can't hear you. He's watching TV. Come on, man. At least take off the hat, man.
No.
Ed Hardy would appreciate you taking a dump with his hat on.
Fine. Would you leave?
No.
No. Get the hat off.
Stop being a girl, man. Just let me sit down. I sit in the tub. I sit in there. Look.
No, I don't.
I even zoom down in there.
No. Zoom down.
You know what I mean.
Go.
No.
Go.
No.
Come on. I
No.
want to take your shit.
No.
I've been walking all day.
Come on, me
I
too,
had
man.
eggs, ham.
Me too, man.
I had Burger King.
Me too.
I drank more soda than you.
So?
I'm gonna take a shit and then pee.
I gotta go too, though.
What?
I gotta go too.
Alright, wait.
No.
I take quick poops. I told you that.
No.
Yes, I do.
No.
Less than 3 minutes.
No.
Come on, huh?
No. Come on, man.
Come on.
Chill.
I gotta take a shit.
Chill.
I gotta take a shit.
No.
Yes.
You crushing my toe, B. Yo, take it easy, man. Take it easy. Let me take my feet. Let me fix my feet.
No.
My leg, man. Watch out my leg. Alright, man. Alright, I'm gonna finish this. Just tell me, how do I stop recording?
Okay, you see that red button?
No red button.
In the back.
In the back?
Yeah.
No, I don't see it. Oh, I see it. I see it.
Right.
Okay, say one more thing for me before you go.
I gotta take a shit.
Be like Mr. Chow out and put your 2 fingers up.
Mr. Chow out.
I like poop.
I like poop.
Alright, peace.
Gotta take a shit.
Yeah.